Start by downloading the free Steam app from the Google Play Store for Android or the App Store for iPhone. Once installed, open the app and tap the Join Steam or Create Account button to begin. Enter a unique username, a strong password with at least 8 characters including numbers and symbols, and your valid email address. Steam sends a verification email to your address. Open it and click the link to verify your account. If prompted, complete the CAPTCHA verification to prevent automated account creation. That's it. Your Steam account is created, and you can begin exploring games in the store. After creating your account, enhance security by enabling two-factor authentication in the Steam app settings. This adds an extra layer of protection using biometric logins or a mobile authenticator. It's also wise to add a phone number for account recovery options. This ensures you can regain access if you forget your password or lose your device. Steam uses SSL encryption for secure mobile interactions, ensuring your personal information and transactions are protected. The Steam mobile app provides full account functionality, mirroring the desktop version. You can manage your profile, make purchases, and connect with friends directly from your phone. Be aware that features like family sharing may initially require setup on a desktop. However, once configured, you can manage it through the mobile app. Finally, keep your app updated to benefit from the latest security enhancements and features. Regular updates ensure the best protection and functionality.